All right, apologies. There you go, guys. Should be able to hear me now. I thought there would be an issue with the mic. Apologies. Let me guys know if you can hear me all good now. Well, welcome back to the stream anyway. Good to have you guys here again. I was just saying we just had pound CPI come out right now, so we're probably going to get some big volume on a lot of our pairs. So we'll start sharing our screen in a second. Hopefully you guys can hear me all good now. Where are we at? Remember guys, drop a little like for the stream. We'll let a few more people join. As soon as I get to 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen. Let me just get the Zoom guys in as well. Let me share my screen. There we go. Cool. All right, we're back. We're back. How many likes? Got 8 likes. 2 more likes, guys. I'll start sharing my screen and start breaking down the chart. Let me see how this pound news is going. Pound yen having a nice strong push up now. Grabbing some highs. Very nice. Very, very nice. How's Goldie looking? Kane's joining. Let a few more people tune in. 9 likes. Look at that. 1 more like. Yo, Aaron, Adam, what's going on, man? Good to have you back, mate. Good to have you guys back. Look at that, 11 likes. All right, let me start sharing my screen with you guys. All right, there we go. We're back. All right, let me get this up properly. See, you left Coast movie or just changed hotel? Yeah, Adam, I'm back in Phuket, man. I was in PP for the weekend, and now I'm in Phuket for 1 more night, and then Bangkok, and then back home. So I'm actually looking forward to getting back home, back on the trading setup, back on the desk. It's been a good trip, but I'm ready to get back to a good routine again. We've just had this pound news come out. We're seeing pound yen have a nice little spike up, potentially grabbing some liquidity. We've got no bottom wick on this current 30 just yet. And we've got a pretty big double bottom sitting just down here as well. Pound yen on the daily though, we are respecting this support, but we haven't really liquidated any daily lows. Like, to me, all of this level here screams a lot of liquidity sitting down here. So we're gonna have to watch for the next couple of minutes, but it'll be interesting to see if pound yen is gonna have a potential spike lower, or if we're actually gonna close like this and potentially push higher. PP is so nice, man. Yeah, chat's amazing, man. One of my favorite spots. The weather's a bit meh when I was there. It's coming into rainy season now, so it was hit and miss, but yeah, it's stunning, man. It's beautiful. All right, let me just do this. You're joining right, joining right. Pound yen grabbing them highs. Let's see how this is going to close on the 15. How many people we got watching YouTube? Maybe just get us up a little bit better. There we go. All right. Potential sells on pound yen if we get that fake out there. Let's have a look at gold. I had a daily close yesterday on gold. Where are we at? So gold yesterday is respecting this support, have a nice push back up now. Again, same with gold, as we haven't liquidated any daily lows. We kind of left a little double bottom there, which I think I've got marked out. And starting to have a push back up, so I think gold could potentially pull back up, maybe retest 2,000 before dropping even lower, coming to grab some liquidity down here. From an intraday perspective, let's just draw on our levels. We kind of got this resistance sitting here. Got this resistance support broken above this level, currently retesting. So if we can see a flip back on gold to potentially come up and grab these highs, this would be a potential great play. We may just come back down a little bit more, maybe grab that hourly low, and then we could look for a little run higher. Asia had a really nice push up. How is this? Where's from Asia up into here? 70 pips in Asia, which is very, very nice. So let's see if we can get some spikes lower. We could see gold flip back up to this high to grab the liquidity for a potential 80 pip move. Plan of action for GJ. Wait to see how this 15 closes. If we close strong, then we may take it higher. Otherwise, if we do respect this, we could be grabbing this high to potentially roll over. So very, very interesting levels right now. What else have we got? We got FOMC meeting minutes later on for the US dollar, which will be pretty big. For the pound, we've got Bank of England at 10:30 AM London time as well. So the pound may wait for that, or we may get some movement pre-news, but we will see how that goes. So we'll probably wait. Let me just have this up here. Alright. Probably wait to see how this closes. I was just looking on 30. Strong, hourly, grabbing some highs. Yeah, hourly's retesting these levels. Grabbing this previous high, retesting this little level here. So depending on if we close above this, could run up higher, but I do think we could potentially see pound yen have a little dip lower. But again, on the daily, we are still respecting that support. See this massive support breaking high now, breaking yesterday's body. So it's a big level for pound yen. If we get a strong closure, amazing, I'll go long. But until then, we just kind of have to wait for that. So if we close like this, amazing, we'll get a pull down lower and potentially take it up into these highs. Would be around 15, potentially higher, 20, 30. Very, very nice. I do prefer gold, I think. If gold can just spike down that little bit more, we could look for a nice flip on gold. How many people we got? 26 people watching, guys. 13 likes. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we get some movement here, I think we get some good volume today, which is nice. I haven't really taken many trades this week. Nothing huge has been jumping out. I was watching US for 2 hours last night. Didn't really see anything. I was watching for this sell-off on NAS, and then after this choppiness, I called it a session probably maybe around here, and then ended up pushing. How many points this push? Yeah, almost 50 points, which is very, very nice. Goldie. How's this hourly looking on gold? Goldie has just grabbed that previous hourly low. So we don't have to grab this, although I'd like to see it grab it. We are breaking above, retesting again, just grabbing that hourly. So if this hourly can maybe flip bullish, could even still a nice 40 pips up into highs. But I'd want to see signs of this starting to flip around. I'm probably waiting for the 15. So I would like to long gold today. As long as we trade above this level, I'll be looking for longs on gold, back up into this resistance up here. That's the plan of action today. Just have a look at EJ. EJ having a spike higher. EJ's in a messier range. I won't trade EJ in this range. If EJ breaks up, potentially could take it higher. But as long as EJ stays in this range, I'm not too interested. I'd rather trade pound yen. NAS, I won't trade NAS in London really. I do think today in the US, I think NAS is going to have another drive lower after yesterday's close. Yesterday's was a very, very bearish close. Now starting to pull back up. And we could see NAS have a little rollover after liquidating the highs as well, which is very, very nice. So nice to see the plan being respected even on NAS. Liquidating the highs. Boom. Huge sell-off. Huge, huge sell-off. So I think we're going to get an interesting day here. Where's 4 hour looking on gold? 4 hours still in this level. I won't, if gold breaks back into this zone, I have to wait for it to close back below here. I won't trade it in this zone. But if this 30 can grab this 30 low and start to wick back up, I'll be very keen to take this higher. So let's see how long we got. Still got plenty more time for this to pull back up. It's looking incredibly bearish now. But if closer to the end of the 30 it starts to leave a wick, I'll look for long. So if the 30 closes below it, you can consider shorts, but I personally won't really trade it in this range. How many pips is this range? 60 pips, quite a nice range actually. Maybe I will. The setup is worth it. I'll trade the range because it's 60 pips, but we'll have to get some good price action. 31 people tuning in. YouTube guys, remember, drop a little like. Drop some comments as well. I'll be replying to you guys if you want me to look over any pairs as well. Oh, look at this Goldie about to grab that low now. Broken above this resistance. People probably trying to jump in long, something like this. People looking for this break, retest, now getting liquidated. So if we start to throw some nice wicks around these levels, we could take it back up, which would be a lovely, lovely move. Yo, Michael, what's going on, man? Good to have you back. Good to have you back, man.
Hello, hello.
Yo, yo.
What's going on?
Good, man. Good, you?
Not much. Just been scanning this morning.
You been what, sorry?
Just been scanning the charts this morning.
Yeah. Yeah.
And, gold had a big push from US yesterday, didn't it?
Yeah, big push from like these regions. Yeah,
Yeah.
almost 200 pips even in Asia today. Asia.
Yeah.
75 pips, huge.
Mm.
Howdy, Aaron. Brian, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the stream. If gold can start to reject from here, I'm going to look to take this up into the highs.
It's the highest, yeah.
Grabbing that previous
That'd be
LE.
nice. Yeah. And close above your level, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So even if this 30 starts to leave a wick, I'll probably take this 30 flip up into these highs, which would be around 50 pips. Hello.
You okay with that?
Rami, what's going on, man? Yeah, I'll take a juicy 50 pips in London today.
You sounded so Kiwi then.
Really?
Yeah, you did, yeah. Hey? Should have just said A on the end and that would have been full-blown Kiwi. 50 pips in London, eh? Sorry if there's any Kiwis on stream. I just butchered it.
Just insulted everyone in New Zealand.
Oh, you good though?
Yeah, good, man, all good. Chilling in Phuket. Oh, look at this.
Nice. How long is that for?
Only one more night, and then Bangkok for a night, and then heading back home. The weather's been a bit hit and miss since we've been here. Nowhere near as nice as when we were here.
Yeah. I'm not even joking. Like, the weather here has been absolutely fantastic.
Nice.
Mm.
And that sun.
Yeah, nice. Very nice, very good. Good stuff.
Good stuff. Very good stuff. GJ is wicking out this high, which is pretty
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah.
Big level.
It's all the way across, isn't it? 172, 400.
Yeah, huge level.
Beautiful.
If this 15 and 30 can close back below here, I think GJ has the possibility to come and grab all of these lows.
Yeah,
which
that's
is
exactly what I got.
huge. So it's a pretty big mess, but this range is 70 to 80 pips, which is very nice. Very nice. See that 15 on gold did close below that level, but I won't trade it in this range. I now see want to re-break this high. I think we re-break this high. I think we take it much higher. Maybe a little 5-minute snipe. Ooh. Get a little closure back above here. Get a nice little 5-minute snipe potentially. I want to see the 5-minute now close back above here, and then boom. Otherwise, we could just keep rolling over. Finally, I can join your live session. Good man, good to have your stream. Hello, bro. Hope you're fine. Let's make that bank. Rad, what's going on, man? Good to have you back as well. I'm doing good, thank you, man. I'm doing good. Haven't really taken much this week yet.
No. Nope. I haven't taken anything.
Yeah, I took this one position. It was minus 15 pips, and that's all I've taken all week. I watched the US for quite a while, but
you did, eh?
I was watching this for this sell-off on NAS, but after it was doing this at like basically the New York Open, then at this drop happened at 5:30 London time, and I'd never even trade at 5:30 London time anyway, so I was like, I'm gonna call it, and then pretty much after I called it, it then did the move I wanted, but it wasn't that clean, to be honest. The fact that New York opened and did pretty much nothing, I was like, I'm not gonna sit there and try to trade that shit.
Yeah. But I have a side London. What were you actually doing? On a beach somewhere, chilling.
Yeah.
So you were already winning anyway. So
yeah. Well, trend line coming up there. Maybe grab a few more lows on gold, maybe. Possibly.
yeah, that's where we have to do that.
We'll come back next week stronger than ever. Yeah, Rami, absolutely, man. It's the best way to be. Sometimes it's good to take a little break, get your mind right, and then come back stronger and better. Oh yeah, this on GJ could be real nice. I would need to see a strong close. Caught the Asian session sell-off yesterday, 90 pips on gold, very nice. Yeah, very nice. I've broke that level, retested, boom, very clean. That right there, that's all you need. That is all you need.
Overly on GJ.
Could be huge.
Yeah.
No bottom wick.
That closes below your level there.
Yeah. 80 pips.
Yes, please. Yes, please, sir.
Let me get some water.
Very nice.
No, I'm not interested. No, probably have to wait for this 30 on gold. But if gold does close back in this range, it's not the nicest of range I would like to trade, unless there's like a very clean jumping at me setup. I don't really want to trade gold in this range. Let me and it is the pips are a lot. This is a 50-60 pip range, which is nice, but there's a lot of noise in here.
Yeah. This is. I was watching DAX yesterday as well.
Oh yeah.
Pre-London, yeah.
Nice.
I had a mock.
Big sell-off.
Drawn sell-off at the level going at red cross there.
It's nice.
My entry was to break there, and my stop loss was accurate. So I might attack me with spreads, but the overall direction was good.
Yeah, huge move. I mean, it's quite choppy on the it did make its way down, but it was quite choppy, wasn't it?
Yeah. It's just like, when it was around, like that's what here.
Yeah.
I was watching it, and I was just like, ugh. And it was just before I was leaving to work as well, and I just didn't trust it.
Like the little triple bottom there as well.
Yeah.
Boom.
That one there would have been a nice one.
Yeah, that would have been lovely.
I'm still watching it, but I'm still not confident enough, like I am with gold, to trade it yet.
It is good to keep testing it. Make on grab that next 15-minute low. Still in Thailand? Yes, man, still in Thailand. Got two more nights in Thailand, and I'm back home. Back to the office.
But you're looking forward to it in a way.
Yeah, I actually am. Yeah, I've been here long enough now. I need to get back on the. I want to get back on the desk, back on the big screen.
Yeah.
Back to a little bit more normality.
Yeah.
But it's been good. But yeah, I'm ready to get back.
Next year I might look at places where there's like desks, like not like a proper
setup.
Yeah, so I can just have like a screen, like a large screen you've got, and then just go out and just actually there's not much difference, you're just in a different country.
Yeah.
Come on, Goldie, give us the goods. Here's the pepperonis.
Yeah, as soon as if we do start to show signs of rejection, I'm not gonna go down to the 5-minute just yet. We just grabbed that previous 15. Not quite. I would have liked to see it grab that, but it is in my hourly reversal level. Grabbing that previous hourly. If we start to flip up, I'm gonna go down to the 5 minutes soon. For a 5-minute snipe. As soon as we get signs of bullishness, closure back above here. 8 pips, first target, 40 pips, and all the way up into our high from this level is boom, 70. Is there any reason you don't use indicators, and do you read the tape, live orders, etc., or no need? Nah, no need for me. Too much noise. Simple price action. That's all I need. Indicators are all lagging. Tape can be manipulated. So I just pure price action. Pure price action, that's all I need. I used indicators in the beginning of my journey, but then as I progressed, it just turned out to be just way too much noise for me. Just clean price action. Price action, support and resistance levels, and levels of liquidity in retail traps. That's it. That's all you need. This is starting to look quite nice. How many more minutes you got? 30 seconds till this 5 is going to close on gold. And I'm going to look for a potential long, anticipating that this 30 is going to have a nice strong push. Or maybe the overall hourly. Yeah, the hourly is going to be the kind of main decider. So only got 5 more minutes till this 30 is going to push. Unless this 5 pushes all the way up, I'll be surprised if this current 30 flips. But if it does, it'll be amazing.
How's your golf course going?
Oh, I've been slacking. I haven't played it at all. I need to get back on it.
Yeah. You've got to think about your workers, right?
What's that, sorry?
You've got to think about your workers, okay?
Yeah, I know.
You gotta keep them interested, right?
Slacking. Alright. 5 hasn't closed above just yet. I'm going to wait for this next 5. I'll be surprised if this 30 flips in the next 5 minute 25 plus pips. It could, but we'll see. We've now liquidated that 30 and hourly low, which is what we want. So as soon as we get the closure back above here, I'm going to look to take this higher. I'm going to wait for this 5 to break above. GJ, see GJ is wicking the highs, 5 minutes wicking the lows. GJ may push up a little bit higher, probably wait for the 30 on GJ. To me, gold's looking a little bit nicer now.
Yeah.
We could have a buy stop on the break of this high. Make that pre-London bank and then be done within the first 45 minutes again. That'd be nice.
You live a life to the absolute max.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Like it.
It's clearing up now. YouTube
must have
guys.
done it, huh?
Sorry, man. Go on.
No, sorry. You go. I'm
was
just
gonna say,
talking to myself, really.
YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as you drop a like, gold will go to the moon. The more likes, the more volume the market gets. That's how it works. Don't ask me how, but that's how it works.
Oops. No cap.
No cap, no cap.
Cap.
Where would you have your stop on gold? Run for the longs, probably below here, like 16. But I would ideally like to wait for a 5 minute to close above, and then to retest, and then to flip up, and then I would take like this, and I'd probably have stops much nicer around here and get a better risk to reward, and have it for a big play up. But even if the 5 minute close above, there's nothing wrong with having stops all the way down there. But I would wait for a little bit more price action, create a little bit more structure, and then we can get a more refined entry and a more refined stop loss placement. Kane, trust me, bro. But yeah, we just got to wait for this 5 minute to break above this level. The 5 minute trades below this in this current 5, and the 30 is going to break this level, and it may roll over.
Baby.
So this 5 minute is going to be key. Retesting. How long has it got? 2 more minutes. I'll be surprised if we flip bullish. I think you might come and grab them lows one more time.
Yeah.
That would be a lovely.
That's fine, no?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, 30's looking. Yeah, 30 could be solid here. If it does break, this is a one big fake out, grabbing all of these highs, and then we may come and fulfill the lows of this range, which would be, yeah, around 55 to 60 pip range. You know, we may spike down and retest a little bit more down here. But there's just a lot of barriers in this range where price can just instantly go against you, like here, and then here, and then here. So in this range, there is a lot of noise, and that's the only thing I'm going to be skeptical of if we close in this range. Because look how much noise we get in this. Noise. Last time I had a very nice setup in here. Price just went straight back up. Because I had a 15 sell, and the 30 was looking beautiful. 15 wicked out that high, so I had sells around here on this candle. It was looking beautiful. Lovely 15 break level, straight back up. So you can get a lot of fuckery in here. One more minute and 10 seconds till this close. GJ breaking above the level as well, could push higher.
Yeah.
Which platform do you suggest to get funded? There are so many online. I only really recommend FTMO, my Forex funds, and maybe E8, but I haven't tested E8 yet. FTMO and my Forex funds are probably the most legit ones. And there's other ones out there as well, but they're probably the most legit with the best rules and leverage from what I've seen. There's a lot of new ones popping up with, you know, no time limits, but they all have terrible leverage. Like 1 to 10 or like 1 to 20, which is poor.
Yes. Thank you.
Alright, gold's breaking lower. No top wick on this 30 yet, which is nice though, because this hourly is the kind of main overall bias. So hourly's looking pretty bearish, but this 30 is pushing straight down with no top wick. Grabbing them 15-minute lows one more time. This is quite interesting. No top wick at all on this current 15, just a straight push down. Which makes me think, are we gonna reject and flip higher?
There's a level on the 15. Little ones. Yeah.
There's so many.
Yeah.
That's why I don't really want to trade this one. You've got like a support there, support. You've also got another one here. So it can be messy. It can be very, very messy. But if 15 closes, this 15 closes solid, then we can look for a top wick to grab the previous 15 high, and then maybe I'd consider that. But let's see how this 15 is going to close. It's looking incredibly bearish now, but gold can change around at any time. GJ pushing a little bit higher, grabbing that previous 30 high, no bottom wick on the current 30.
What's the fib from the top to the bottom there?
I think it's probably around the 78. Ooh, around the 88. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, how many pepperonis? 150.
Oh, any swingers? Any swingers again?
Like, talking about trading or?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, look at that gold pushing. Yeah, maybe see if we can break this little minor level here. Because a big support, fake out, support, push higher, fake out, break. This is a big level as well. Are we going to break it? Are we going to reject it? Let's see. Still, to be fair, actually, if it closes, retests. And as long as you don't grab these lows, still got 20 pips into them lows. I may have to take in a call in a sec, guys, but I think we'll wait for this hourly anyway. So I may have to mute in a second. Yeah, cool. Alright, give me 5 minutes and I'll be back.
Yeah. run. I have to send him money every time. And then he has to take the cash out from me. Fair play, Jim.
Yeah, I think you owe me some exchange rates, actually.
No, I think you took them by the looks of it.
All right, well, back. Let me see what's going on. I was reading your analysis whilst I was on that call, so I didn't realize it can take so long.
No, as well, it's all good.
Right, where we at? To be fair, I was kind of watching it whilst it was happening, and there's nothing like price is moving, but there's no real entries. GJ has just ripped higher with no bottom wick. So there's no real execution there just yet. Gold is just like if gold does break this zone here, I would be much more inclined to short this down into here. So now that we've gotten this nice clean break, because this is kind of my no trade range, but if we get a closure below here, then we could push this up, and this hourly is actually looking pretty juicy now.
Hey, no trade range. Have we got my chart on there? Stop it.
I was popping yours up whilst I was on the call. Do you always market in? Wait. Do you always market in when you enter the market? Do you always market? I'm not sure what you mean. Do you mean do I like market execute? If so, no. Most of the time it's orders. If you mean do I market execute, most of the time it's orders. See if gold does break this range. Could potentially take it down to here.
Is it?
Maybe even down to here. Is it market order or limit order? Stop orders for the most part. I don't. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, stop orders for the most part. All right, we just had a nice hourly close there. Come back up. If this hourly can retest with before breaking this wick, I'm gonna look for some sells. GJ. Oh, GJ. Look at that push.
Yeah, I know. There's no entry for me.
Nah, I prefer gold. Right.
Yeah.
15-minute high of interest on gold. If we can grab this before breaking the hourly low, I'm going to look for a nice short. Don't need stops all the way above here. I think we can have stops maybe here.
Yeah. If this can tap that level on 5 minute, 1973, I can tap that and maybe break those highs. I'm put an order in on the break of this low. Only if it takes those out though, for me.
Yeah, as soon as we wick some highs, we could be getting some pushes.
Don't be a child.
Yeah, don't be like that. Be good to us. I mean, there's a minor top wick there, but it's not enough to short it. I mean, the thing is, you could short like this, but stops have to be up here, which is just ridiculous. I'm not taking a 90 pip stop loss on a Wednesday morning.
Okay.
All right. Well, you're gonna miss 10 pips.
Yeah. You're gonna miss 6 pips there, bro.
You can, if you want to do like this, TP, 10 pips.
Sounds delightful.
So yeah, we're re-breaking the hourly low now. But still, I still think we can get a quick wick into this level before fulfilling all the way back down here. So this is okay. This is looking good to me. More confirmed. GJ, see GJ is creating a nice bottom wick, but then where am I going to long it into? Just where's the next area of interest?
Like 2016, I think.
Fuck, man.
What am I thinking of?
Oh shit. Oh, you're looking at Goldie? Oh, yeah. How many pips you got all the way back up into there? You got 26, not bad. Goldie back up. Ooh, is it run? Is it? Ooh, yeah, nice. Look at that. Grabbing that previous hourly low. Alright, nice. This is what we want.
Breaks and closes above 1973 100 on 5 minute.
3-1. Yeah. That's a nice level actually. Let's keep it at 73.
It's a nice, yeah. I just got that level going across from there for you, basically, but it's the same as yours. I just got it from there.
That's the daily starting to form.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me go back.
No, sorry.
See, the daily is finding support, but we haven't liquidated any lows, and we kind of left a double bottom here. I do think we can come back up and retrace some of this, but do we have the liquidity to have that drive up just yet? I'm not sure. I am not sure.
EJ's just
Oh, it's dead.
dropped aggressively.
Ooh.
No top wick. Retesting the previous highs.
Oh yeah, it's broken out of that range nicely. Oh, nice little.
You got gold tapping the 15 high now as well.
Nice. Get a closure back here on gold. You may look for a setup. EJ, how many pips you got? You break these highs at this resistance. 5 pips. No sir. Howley, yeah, beautiful Howley. If you can come back down and get a worthwhile risk to reward, I think you can get easy long on EJ back up into these highs. 5 minute, little double bottom, little double top. Yeah, that's pushing lower. So look at this 30. So yeah, 30 is now creating that, and the hourly's creating more of a top wick now, which is nice. So if we come and re-break this current hourly, we re-break that, I think you can get a nice drive. And where would that be? On the 5? On the 5 you'd be down there, so yeah. Maybe if this 5 can spike up, I'd love to take this lower. Because if we're going to push up from here, we've wicked out the lows, which is what you want. So if we come back down and re-break this low, then I think you can have a nice push back down. Because we shouldn't need to...
Would you want those highs taken out first, though?
Yeah, I'd like to see like this.
Yeah.
Maybe even this one. Maybe even all the way up here.
Ooh.
Because you had a
Spicy.
nice... We've had a clean... There's one big liquidity grab, massive break of structure. So... We got 1... liquidity grab, 2 break of structure, 3 you just need to pound sign because we're making bank today, retest, and then boom. So liquidity grab, broken all of this structure, so now we can come back up and get a nice quick little retest, maybe around 50%. Then this could actually be an overall.
Oh, that's 27 lines up quite nicely with that there, doesn't it?
Ooh, yeah, look at that, yeah.
Yeah, there. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, very, very nice. I think this could be nice
Quick
now.
observation.
What time is it, London? 8 AM. Alright, London open time.
Yeah, 6 minutes past.
Nice. Yeah, this is looking good to me. How's this 4 hour looking?
Oh.
Oh, grabbing that previous 4 hour low. I mean, still got ages to that 4 hours going to close, so it's not off the cards just yet.
Negative. But that's a nice yellow brick road.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. So you can take a fib from here. How much of this move we retraced? Just about 61.8%. So yeah, you can come down a little bit more. Let's see. This is shaping up nicely now. This is what we want.
Yes, sir.
Oh, my back. There's sun's coming out.
That's beautiful. When are we coming out?
Hey?
Well, isn't it like midday over there now? It's like 2 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah, 2 o'clock. We went out this morning. We went to a little coffee shop. We drove up to the Buddha, cruised up that hill. It's fucking so fun.
Ah, that must have been nice.
Yeah, it's so fun. Just cruising up the hill is just fucking... And then we almost got pulled over by police.
Ah.
They were at the exact same place where they got Mark. Is Mark here?
No, he's not.
But I just took a different exit on the roundabout, and you could tell they were literally ready to pull us over as well, weren't they? Yeah.
They must have called you everything when they seen you pull off.
Yeah. We've got lucky. They almost got us yesterday as well. They must stay at that
Really?
exact same roundabout literally every day.
I'm
Motherfucker.
off. Like.
It just kind
Is she
of.
okay on the back now, Kate?
Yeah, Kate's fine on the bike. You enjoy it.
Ah, sweet.
She likes it.
That's
yeah.
good. Yeah,
It's good fun.
Yeah, and it's so much easier and cheaper.
Yeah, so much easier.
Next year, I'm just gonna hire a bike for the whole trip and just keep it.
Oh yeah. I think next time we just stay in maybe one place.
For 2 weeks.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just stay in one spot, and then after that, maybe a week, and after that, if you want to go cruise somewhere else, then everyone can kind of do their own thing, or if people want to leave. But
Yeah.
I think island hopping is fun, but for like trading and cost purposes, like just staying in one place, hiring a bike for the week, I think it makes life easier.
Yeah.
Everyone hire a bike except Joe. Is Joe here?
Yeah.
No, he's not here.
I don't know. Yeah. The thing is, I don't think he's safe in a car, to be honest.
No, he's not.
I don't.
Ooh, EJ grabbing that low now.
He's a character. He's different.
One hell of a boy.
One hell of a lot.
Where else could EJ grab some liquidity? How does the daily on EJ?
Oh, GJ, in that 30 minutes, I haven't got a top wick.
See, I think EJ is gonna have a rip higher, but I'm not sure where to really play it into. You kind of have to be considering profits here, which makes the risk to reward 10 pips and 0.84, which is not great. Is EJ? Oh, look at that, GJ straight back down. Holy shit!
Yeah, look at that 30 on it.
Grab
I'm
some daily
ugly.
highs.
Oh, baby.
What about UJ? Beer, let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, this is looking good. GJ going lower. Gold about to break back above this level. Things are getting interesting now. Yeah, I think if this Audi does re-break this low, I think we get a big push. 65 pips.
Goldie.
UJ, nah, bit messy. UJ kind of got this little resistance here, support there, kind of, just broken out of that range. Nice strong push, may take it back up to the highs, but it's not the cleanest. There's just so much noise. There's a lot of noise in here. I personally wouldn't really do too much. I'd kind of maybe just draw the range like this and just wait for a little bit more in there. If we're sitting at the lows of the range, amazing, you can take it up, but now that we're in the middle of the range on UJ, I'm not so sure on the 5. Yeah, see, 5 minutes grabbed the lows, had a rip higher, so you may get it to maybe come and retest some areas down here before taking it back up, but it is in a range, so if you do catch an entry on EJ and it just dicks around, you can't really be too mad, because it's a bit difficult. That's why I prefer Pound Yen. Pound Yen has more cleaner structure. See, this flip could be very nice though. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, it could have a really nice run here. How's Goldie shaping up? Is Goldie? Ooh, Goldie's starting to find some resistance.
I'm waiting for this.
Oh, nice, look at that.
15 minutes to close above there.
Yeah, we just grabbed that previous high, which is nice. Shut up, my phone blew up. If this 5 minute closes back below this level, I may look for a short. Gold. Stops would be around 11 pips. Playing it back down to lows of these range. Yeah, re-break this low and actually close below it after liquidating these highs. And I'm gonna look for this trade. Let me get this set up just in case. Gold on the 5. Go 5 minute. 15 still a little bit doji. 15 hasn't really grabbed any highs just yet. But that's fine. Could be all. If I do short it, it'll be all based off this 5 closure. So 15. Oh no, sorry, 15 has just grabbed that high. which is good. That's what you want. So as soon as you get a strong close here, nice top wick, and I'm going to be looking to sell this for a nice big play. Come on, this is the hourly low as well. So that's the hourly low. If we re-break that, I think we're going to get a nice push. Hell, we've got 2 more minutes. All right, let's just wait 2 more minutes to close, and we could get a nice quick short here.
Off the break, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, we just that.
Hopefully this close like this gives a nice little quick top wick, and we can
Yeah.
get a really quick snipe.
All
Slow
right,
down a bit.
slow down there,
fucking
champ.
Gold's one hell of a
I'm
boy.
golden. Yeah.
See that 30. This 5 minute has to close bearish, nice and strong. Even if we break this low, that's fine. It's still more confirmed, because the 15 could flip nicely. So you could even have it like this, but I just kind of want to get a little bit more refined. Stop loss any 30 pips down to these levels. You got 65, which is beautiful.
Jeez.
Or are we going to flip back up? If we don't close below this previous low, I will not short. Has to close below there. Or are we going to start to break back above in the zone? See, 30 minutes way too bearish to go long yet.
The 3-pin pattern there.
Which is solid. Grabbing that previous 5 minute low after that flip bullish, so
Good luck there as well.
20 pips, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Retesting the third drive. It's more so that I just kind of want to follow this big hourly. I'm just skeptical that this can retrace more of this move. That's all. This is a big bearish candle, and like we do have a lot of levels to still come and retrace. So 15 has just closed doji. So quick insight on gold. Gold's just pushed down 80 pips and then closed doji. Now, to me, if the bearish momentum was there, we wouldn't instantly close doji. So I think we may have to grab a little more liquidity to be able to have the push. So if anything, I think gold may have to retrace a little bit higher, and this is where this next level of interest gets interesting for me. This high here is now a more interesting short level on gold, unless we start to re-break the current hourly, because this is the hourly where if we're going to have a push up, we should respect this, but if we break this, then we could have a rollover. That 5 did close below that previous 5, but it's also respecting support like this. So we got support. So I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. It's not that clear just yet. GJ, oh look at that GJ! Holy shit, man!
That could be nice, though.
Yeah, it's that 4 hour. Look at that 4 hour grabbing the daily highs, wicking out the daily highs. Not grabbed any daily lows for the past 2 days.
Oh.
Goldie's the nicest for me, to be honest this morning.
Yeah.
We're only 16 minutes into London Open, so we got time. How many people watching? 36 people on YouTube, 25 likes. Guys, remember to drop a little like for the YouTube stream. Give us that volume. Feel free to ask any questions or pairs in the meantime as well. Same for you guys on Zoom if you want me to look up at any other pairs whilst we wait. And we can do that.
I really played the golf game of my life last night, if anyone was interested in that.
Did you? Nice.
I'm super excited.
Nice.
Genuine. As pairs, we were 4 under par, walking off the 13th as we absolutely smashed them.
Nice.
Thank you very much. So, if you want to watch me on telly soon, guys, I'll be on Sky Sports. I'll still drop, a hello in the community. I'm not leaving, but
we appreciate it.
My golf is taken off.
Alice Turner, bro. Retired Forex trader turns golfer.
Well, you know, stranger things has happened.
It's true. It's very true. Hey Aaron, can you take a look at DJ30? Yeah, let's take a look. I haven't traded down in a while. Ooh, look at that lovely liquidity gap breakout. When was that from? I don't even remember drawing that up. Back in Feb. Ooh, very nice. How many pipperoonies was that? Huge. Daily on the Dow. Let's have a look. Let's get some daily levels going on. You got daily support right there. Let's adjust this a little bit. Daily support. Also the daily resistance just being broken beautifully. See here, wick, fake out, support, fake out, support, broken. Is pipperoonies the technical term? Absolutely, it's the technical term. Pipperoonies. But the Dow, I just like to play the range. We're trading in the middle of the range, so maybe when we get down support, you could look for something. Maybe in US later. I wouldn't trade it in London. Maybe in US later, you get some pullbacks, grab some highs before driving lower. Awesome. I'll note that down. Yeah, good job, pipperoonies. So maybe you could do something like this later on. It's having a nice little sell-off in London. Is NASDAQ the same? Not too much. Yeah, I think NASDAQ needs to retrace a little bit more. Let me see, how's our Goldie looking? Ooh, Goldie. Okay. All right, how long we got? 7 more seconds to this. Going to close on gold, and I'm going to look for a potential sell where it stops above the current 30 high. 5. Let me just have this, get this drawn up, just ready, just in case. So I'm going to take the break of the current 30. Let's see. Okay, 5 minutes just closed. Ooh, give me a chance to enter. Okay. See, 5 minutes just still closing doji. No top wick on this current 5 just yet.
Yeah,
It wants to break the support, but it's struggling.
On my broker, there is a top wick.
There is.
Yeah. I know it's come back up to.
See, on this broker, has it grabbed the previous 15? Yeah, it has, yeah. See, the 30 is looking great for now, but it's not on the 5 on the lower time frame. It's not that clean to me just yet. 15's closed doji, but we have grabbed that previous 15 high. So if we re-break this low, you might get a nice drive. You got to be break even though at around like 11 pips at these highs and this support, which is my only concern. It's not that clean. See, 5 minute pushing back up now. I still don't have enough. Still not a huge amount of volume. Still not a whole heap of volume. If we were gonna have a drive, we wouldn't keep stalling so much. Look at that, GJ straight back down, completely reversing this entire move. Any retail trader trying to trade breaks and retests, getting absolutely manipulated on GJ right now. Anyone who sees a break at this level, retest, you go along here, getting stopped out on GJ. That's the reason we don't take breaks and retests. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for this 30 close. This 30 is not giving me much confidence because we're still here as well. You got this support, resistance, support, resistance. So yes, we have broken this level, but we are also at support, and we've closed incredibly bearish into an instant doji candle. And I think the 15 may spike up a little bit more, and the 5 may come and grab these highs. Yeah, look at that, 5 minute pushing back up now. Come on.
Yeah. That must have been the smallest cup of coffee I've ever seen anyone drink.
I mean,
It's an espresso.
Lewis just has really big hands.
To be fair, if I had that, it'd probably look like a mug.
Do you trade crypto? Yeah, sometimes. I haven't traded crypto in a while. I don't day trade crypto, but for a longer term, well, I say longer term moves, not really longer term moves, but more scalping positions. Yeah, sometimes trade crypto. Do you reckon gold is the best to trade outside of New York? Been trading US indices during New York, but I'm getting sick of staying up till 2 a.m. Yeah, I'm assuming you're from Australia. I personally wouldn't stay up till 2 a.m. trading. You can make more than enough bank just trading Asia and London. Best pairs to trade in Asia and London. I actually just made a new YouTube video on that. Let me, yeah, a little plug going on now. Let me share this. There, about the best trades and expectations to have in Asia. Obviously, Asia and London, the volumes, for the most part, not as big as US. But no, I personally wouldn't sit up till 2 a.m. just because you want to trade US. I promise you can make more than good enough money just trading Asia and London. Apologies, I didn't see it. No, it's all good, man. It's all good. I just posted it in there so you can have a little look after. No need to apologize though. But yeah, no.
Like, do it again.
Yeah, don't be sorry.
I'm joking.
Just don't do it, really. Nah, we're joking. Yeah, it's big hourly support on gold. That's why we're having that reaction. Look at that. So many levels on gold. So much noise. Like, if you think of it, all of this is just an area of just complete noise and fuckery. The reason I'm not going too crazy. Right, GJ completely reversing. GJ 4 hourly could have a big push back down into these lows that I want. So if we get that, if we get that closure below
there.
Bing, bing,
Yeah.
bing.
Yes, please.
Which would be 92 pips. 92 pepperonis. Can you get the aircon on, please?
The heater?
Hey?
The heater?
The heater? No, the aircon, please.
I'm cold.
You're cold? You can sit outside then. I'm gonna get beaten after for that.
Yeah. Whoa.
I'm just showing off for you guys. I'll get beaten after.
Showing off.
You like when I beat you.
I just like how ES behaves during New York. Very nice scalps. Yeah, it does move very, very nice. For similar moves, that's why I like trading gold. Gold in London for me is amazing. Gold in London, Asia. If gold re-breaks above this level on the 15, you could take it. Oh, even on the 30, you could take it higher. It's a bit aggressive, but it's possible because we're still at hourly support and 4 hourly support as well. 4 hourly just grabbed that previous 4 hourly low. So if you do get the setup, I think gold's coming for these highs potentially, which is 100 pips.
Even if it breaks, closes above around 1974, that's still 17 pips.
Yeah.
Morning's going. I'll take 17 pips, I'll be honest.
Yeah, me too. Oh, look at this. The thing. It's like the way that this hourly move was incredibly bearish, and then to go to an instant doji candle, failed to re-break that 15-minute low that we mentioned. That if we had broke that, we'd have that drive. So we've respected that, and to have that push back up, yeah, gold could run higher.
If it takes out.
Don't think I'll trade it in this range though, because you can just we may push up, but we will just dick around on the way up. But if it's clean and this 30 closes back above this little minor support, amazing.
Very good. Very nice.
Very good. Because yeah, like I say, the 4 hourly is bullish. Hourly is bearish. Daily doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. But if there's 30 closes above, this is a fake out of this level and you may drive higher. Oh yeah, look at that 5 minute breaking back above now. Is there a long setup that makes sense? No, I need more of a bottom wick. More of a bottom wick, and I would look for it'd be aggressive and risky. Create a bottom wick on this 5 first. No, I would
4 minutes. Is that the new?
Oh, you mother effer. What was on the fucking 5? Oh, that 5 minute though. Just broken that. No bottom wick. Interesting.
Yeah.
Very, very interesting. Yeah, that 5 minutes nice. I'll wait for this 5 minute because this is the last 5 of this 30. And if the 30 does close back above this range, amazing. We could. Where would we be? Break even maybe here. 13 pips. Yeah, it's good enough. Let's see.
Yeah, break even. Yeah.
Close like this. Maybe grab that previous 5 minute one more time, and then I would look to take it here instead and stop swimming wherever this liquidity.
Do you have a target there?
Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. Because this is my next high barrier of where we could grab this before either going lower or just continue pushing up. So, yeah. I'm creating a little double top at the minute as well. Here. So we got some liquidity to come and grab here.
Yeah, I like. You like?
I like. Ooh, look at that. 30 just closed. 30 is just closed, respecting that support. So,
Child.
yeah, very immature gold. You got a lot growing up to do, mate.
Yeah, a lot. Considering how old gold is, it's just needs to talk to itself. I think.
Yeah.
You have a quiet word.
Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. See if we re-break this. If we start to find some support in this 5 minute, I'll consider it because this 5 minute is flipped pretty bearish. Bullish. So if we can come re-break that 5 minute high. I don't want to have stops all the way down here. I want to have stops wherever this is going to find some support if I'm going to take this. So stop loss will be based off if this 5 minute finds support.
Have you actually got the heating on?
No, the aircon.
Oh, no. Oh.
Yeah. 28. That's ridiculous. Well, the heating basically is on now, yeah.
Come on, kids. Don't take no nonsense.
It's not cold.
It's freezing.
So, see, 30 just grabbed that previous low. No real top wick. So if we come and re-break this, as soon as this 5 minutes starts to find some support, I'm going to consider putting this in. I want to have some stops down here. I want to have my stops below wherever this is going to be. If this starts to flip bullish. Because even up into here, you got 15, maybe to retest these levels, 25, which is great.
That's what I have.
Let's have a look. Oh, man. Yeah, it's a tricky range. Tricky range. 40 people watching. Guys, remember, drop a little like. If you guys are new to the stream, drop a little like. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Could get a nice little scalp here. Only 30 minutes into the London Open, so... Ooh, go on gold, find some support. Okay, cool. As soon as this starts to show signs of flipping bullish, I'm about to put this buy order in. Stop loss will be, let's just call it, yeah, around 13, 14 pips, maybe filter in some spreads as well. So So it's around 13 pips. Only once this shows signs that it's going to flip bullish will I put this in as the 15 looking. Yeah, see 15 is found some big support. It's also found resistance as well though. Alright, let's do it. 1 minute. Alright, there you go.
Yes.
Re-breaking the low. I was going to say we have a buy stop here. Still bearish. Still bearish. We'll be waiting for this. Oh, go on. You know you want to flip bullish gold. You know you want to. Oh. Right. Our stops are going to be around 14 pips. Okay, cool. I'm putting this buy stop in on gold right now. Oh, are you putting the buy stop in as well?
No, I'm doing
Oh.
Fibonacci.
Alright, got this gold in now. Cool. Buy stop on the break of the previous 5. Stop loss below this current 5-minute low for around 13 pip stop loss, which is great. A very good stop loss.
Again.
Go on. Flip. How long you got? 20 more seconds till this 5 minutes looking beautiful as well.
Let's
Yeah,
tag
cool.
them in.
Yeah, I'm in. I am in.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, tag me in.
Yep.
Stop field.
All right. Let's see. Buy stop parameters. Buy stops is right here. Here. Buy stop on the break this high. Lovely 5-minute close there. Beautiful 5-minute close. Trading back above this level. Liquidate that previous 5-minute low. So we should get a nice push here. This is great stop loss placement because you re-break this low, then we'll probably have a complete rollover. But this 5-minute, that was a beautiful close. Couldn't got any better of a close than that. Now probably be break even, maybe somewhere around when we grab this high. But I would like to play this up for a much bigger play.
Potentially 20 pips.
Yeah.
If it behaves.
Which broker do you use to trade on? Blueberry Markets. Blueberries. These blueberries to trade. If we get a nice complete hourly reversal here, this 4 hourly, we get hourly, sorry, has the potential to come and rip these highs up here, which we could get a runner for around 100 pips, which I get out of bed for 100 pips, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely entry there, 0 drawdown that. Nice little bottom wick there, retesting that now, ripping higher. Well, if you just hit 8 pips, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
We're going to come into some barriers here, so may have to go break even soonish, which is a little bit aggressive, but we're gonna get some noise around here. Look at this, lots of orders going on here. What we just hit 8 pips. I would not secure 8 pips, but I may have to manage risk soon. But this 5 minutes looking great, and this 15 could be very nice as well. Yeah, 15.
30 could be nice too.
Yeah, complete reversal. Incredibly bearish. Now grabbing that previous high. Yeah, so this is looking good to me. Because this 4 hourly is fucking solid on gold. Grabbing all that liquidity. Grab that previous 4 hour low. Grab that previous 4 hour low. Holds back above this level. Could flip all the way back up to these highs. And we could have a big runner. A big runner. Where's 10 pips? I'm not gonna take any off at 10 pips in London, but I may manage. 10 pips is there. Okay, cool. As soon as we clear this level, though, we can start to bring stops up. But so far, so good. A fantastic entry there.
Yep. Nice closure above. Nice entry.
Yeah, lovely
Nice
liquidity
push.
grab. That 5-minute liquidity grab there, fucking textbook.
Yeah. That's what you get.
Excellent trade, mate. Thank you, man. Thank you. Classic London stop run. Yeah, absolutely. And a really nice push now. This is very nice. Futures prop firms. I'm going to test Trade of 8. A lot of people said up profit
6.
weren't that great. But yeah, I'm going to test top step. And you know what? Let me just see. I've only got 2 minutes to this. 5 minutes going to close. I'm not going to go break even just yet because we may retest these highs, but I may bring stops to below that previous low, which is basically break even. So maybe we'll go break even. Yeah, look at that. Find some resistance there at around 13 pips. So like I said, this is the level we're going to find some fuckery. But let's just wait for this 5 minute to close. It's not managed too aggressively just yet.
I
mean, as soon as we do clear this level, gold's got a clear run up to here, but we are bound to get some fuckery at this level. It's a big level.
Yeah.
If we break it, amazing. We should have a nice clear run. Yeah, good shit. Because if we do clear this level, then this level becomes the next level where we could retest and run higher. So there we go. Then we can be in the all clear to then put stops to break even. But if your entry is around a level where price could retest before going higher, you can't be mad if price stops you at break even before running higher. So yeah, I can only manage my risk once price fully clears the level that it has to break, which is this one. See the support, fake out, resistance, support, resistance. So it's a big level. There you go. Beautiful run now. What we just hit 15 pips. Very nice. All right, now I'm gonna go break even. Cleared that level. We come back down and retest all these, then I don't want to be in that trade. So prices cleared my entry more than enough for me to take my risk off the table. Alright, cool. Break even now. And all eyes on this 15 close. This 15 close. So we're now tapping into this 5 minute resistance area, which was my area of interest to potentially short. So let's see how we go around here. Where's 20 pips? 20 pips is a little bit more. Spike up a little bit more. Hit 20 pips and I might take some partials. YouTube guys, if you caught that position, remember, drop a little like for the stream. Showing up, making that bank every single London Asian session. I haven't taken a loss on the stream in a while.
Oh.
Yeah, you heard it.
Come on.
Big dog in the
Come
house.
on. Oh.
No bottom wick on this current 5, which is a little bit sketchy. You got this new level here. Check NASDAQ. I will in a second.
You know, since being back,
Yeah.
I haven't lost.
Nice. Yeah, nice pushing. Yes, outlet beautiful. Ron with the Bresnan chat, good man. What we just hit, 22 pips. All right, I'm gonna secure 50% here. We just hit 22 pips. Oh, I haven't. There we go. Just closed. There you go. Just closed 50% at 23 pips. Very nice. Let me take some partials here. All right. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Risk is off the table. We've taken money out of the markets this morning, and this 50% runner, I'm gonna leave all the way back up to here for 100 pips. Because I think gold's having a full-blown reversal now, and I think this 4 hour has the potential to flip bullish and run higher. And this could have a really nice run. Our entry is that clean that price shouldn't need to come all the way back down this low. So if we can get this runner big, we could be onto a very nice trade here. And that run will probably outweigh this original position. 50 pips up there as well. But fantastic entry. 0 drawdown. Straight into profit. Lovely liquidity grabs. Reading the markets very, very well. Waited all morning for that. Didn't force anything in this shit price action. Wait for the clean breaks. The breaks of the highs. Liquidity grabs. Beautiful. Just hit 28 pips. Very nice. If this now comes back to break even, I don't really care. I've made money out of the markets this morning.
Yep.
Business flights home for you then, Aaron? I wish, Ron. You can't get business on Air Asia. It's really fucking annoying. So our plane on the way back doesn't have beds. So we have like a, what, 9-hour flight? 9-hour flight. And there's no beds on the plane.
That's a
My
that's a
life
first world problem. That one.
It's a pretty big problem.
Yeah, it's a pretty...
I'm so sorry you have to go through that.
No, it's alright, it's alright. We'll figure it out.
Poor
Also,
people.
no
Oh
Wi-Fi
my god.
Also
You
no
okay?
Wi-Fi, yeah. Also no Wi-Fi.
or food.
Or food,
Or
yeah.
water.
Or water.
Really?
Next thing you might accidentally touch knees with a stranger next to you as well.
God forbid.
Are you like, are you in the cockpit or like, like down below or something with all the luggage and stuff? Or-
Oh, mate, never fly with Air Asia. It's
Mate.
it's honestly terrible.
That was a great call on gold.
Thank you, man. Thank you. We just had this owlie. It's just completely reversed, and it's absolutely beautiful. I think the nicest thing is I was saying that like when this owlie was starting to look quite bearish, I was like, if we re-break this low, we'll have that drive because this is the low that's grabbed the previous low. So this is typically enough of a liquidity grab that we shouldn't need to re-break that. So we respected it there, and as soon as we keep respecting it, 5-minute close bullish, very simple levels. Breaks above our level. This 5-minute creates that bottom wick grabbing that previous. So as soon as that 5-minute flips bullish, amazing, you're in the trade, and straight into 30 pips profit. So which is fucking fantastic. So what we just hit, yeah, just hit 30 pips, which is great. But that 30 is at that level where we could start to dick around. But like I say, we've already taken money out of markets today. So whatever happens, happens. But I'm now gonna leave a runner all the way to the moon.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And if the rest comes back down to break even, I don't really care. I've pulled out a decent portion.
Laptop out the window.
15, had that 15 just close, yeah, very, very strong. No reason to take partials. If it rolls over, so be it, but the 15's broken on level, so we should get a nice run. NASDAQ looking strong, looking good though. Let's have a look. Yeah, pushing down nicely. Big push, big push.
Did you get in on that, Lewis?
Yeah,
Good man.
I just secured some profit.
Good man. Grab that previous high, drop. Very nice. Let's just wait for this hourly now on gold. 15 has flipped on gold, incredibly bullish, but the 30 is at a make or break level, but the 15 is very nice. Very, very nice. I'm hungry. You hungry?
Me too.
Our son turned on the hose.
Are they? Typical. See how this 5-minute goes? The 5-minute flips, it looks like it's going to flip back bearish. It's quite an aggressive retrace.
And he ran his bed through the mud.
Did he? That's not good. Yeah, this 30 mode, my fans. How's his hourly looking? Yeah, hourly's still looking good. Hourly's still looking good. Yeah, if it
3 hour is looking nice.
if this 5 actually closes back below here, I think we'll just continue this rollover. So What would that be? You could take your partials out. Yeah, partials up. I'm probably gonna leave partials. I'm taking out a nice little sum this morning. But yeah, if this 5 does close like this, then I think gold could have another push lower. Or if there's 15 free breaks and flips higher, could go higher. Anywhere in this range is kind of hit and miss on gold. So I won't take any extra positions this morning in London. That's pretty much London done. It'll be all dependent on how these runners go.
I'm going to play golf.
Good man.
Shock. The horror. Really.
Alan, have you finished your work trip?
Yeah, I'm back now. So 4 weeks on the RAS was enough for me, so I'm glad to be back. Yeah, no, the work holiday was tough. It was tough going.
It's a hard life.
Yeah, it does. But some of us is just. I didn't want to be in the hot tub. I get paid for it, but somebody's got to do it.
It's a hard life.
Yeah.
So is that like your service users are going on holiday, and so you need to go with them all?
Yeah, and look after them. But to be fair, I think it was the other way around at some point. Yeah, no, take him away, and he loved it. To be fair, I didn't think he'd get in the hot tub, but he was opening it up ready for us, and I said, "Oh, okay then, hot tub it is. What a shame."
GJ, boom, boom. I'll set a little alert here on GJ. Can you buy now here? No. Don't trade gold in this range. Anything can happen in this range. I don't need to write it out. You guys know. Yeah, don't take it in this range. Because look, in this range, boom, a lot of noise. Yeah, a lot of noise. So we can just create a lot of noise. 5 minutes flip back into the range though. I think the 30 is going to continue a push lower. This I didn't actually close below, but this 5 minutes flip bearish pretty aggressively after hitting 30 pips. 30 pipperoonies. What's that? Runner's sitting around 13 pips, so taking a nice little run. Alright, I'm just taking another little 25% there at 14 pips. So took an original 50% off at around 20 pips, and then just took another 25% around 14 pips. So now I've taken out 75% of my position, and now the rest can actually do whatever it wants. I don't care what the rest does now, but I've taken out 75% of my position. If we re-break this low, I think we may just roll down to break even. But the fact that we closed back in this range after flipping so bullish makes me think this 30 isn't quite ready, and we'll probably just wait for this 15. If you did miss this entry and you were gonna look for another entry, I would wait for this 15 to flip bullish and just do the exact same thing. But that's me for London. I'm not doing anything for London. Alerts are set on GJ. But yeah, amazing entry. Zero drawdown, flipped beautifully into, you hit like an instant 30 pips. 30 pips in London is amazing. All you need. Even 15 to 20 pips is amazing, but to hit 30 in London, fantastic. Fantastic. Good entry, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. But yeah, lovely sniper entry. How long have I been on YouTube? Alright, been on YouTube for 2 hours. I'm gonna wrap up YouTube. I'll let you guys go. If you did take money out the markets today in this London session, very good job. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. Feel free to check out all my other videos, and let the runner do whatever it wants. As long as you pulled out money this morning, you're in for a win. And then we are back to streaming for the London session again on Friday. So I hope to see you guys there. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. But for now, see you guys next time.
Order filled.